for this next task, we were supposed to deal with the sump pump, a sump pump, yes, and it is just to kick all of the water out of your house. If your basement collects any water, there's a special place that essentially sucks up the water and pumps it outside. In our house, we don't have one. We were kind of looking around, making sure we didn't, and we don't. It will be located in your basement, and maybe we have a picture or something that we can show you that of kind of the general idea of what it looks like. But basically, another thing, you look at your owner's manual and just go through and inspect it. The main thing is just to make sure that that thing is working. Maybe dump some water in there or something so that you know that it'll pump it out. That way your basement is not going to flood.
The purpose of it is to take water that would go into your basement and take it out of your basement.
Yes.
You don't want any water in your basement.
Yes.
Awesome.
And that's just kind of the general gist of that. Maybe in the future we'll actually show you what it looks like, but unfortunately we don't have one. We're not too sure of anybody nearby that does have one. So we'll keep an eye out for somebody that does and maybe show you that video later. And that should be it for now for the sump pump, and we can move on to our next task.